Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select the text edit by writing, size the letter, font of letter. Then select a photo, adjust the photo of logo, select the perspective, adjust the photo. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.